today's video is going to be a little bit different, as you must have guessed. I'm meeting my team after 9 months. It's like a huge time. So Divya, Richa, Pratyush, all of them are going to be here. I'm expecting few more members, but let's see how many of them turn up. Okay, so we are meeting today for a special reason. YouTube has sent us silver button.
Maybe.
So I wanted to open this with you guys. This was kind of a surprise for them and for you too, right? So the thing is, I wanted to share this with you as well as my team, because I'm not the only one who achieved this. Without your support, it would have been impossible. Thank you so much. Yay, my team and you guys, and also YouTube for this appreciation. So you guys always see Richa, me, Divya, but is Parth, and there is one more person, Shubham, who shoots our videos. His Pratyush, also Muktal, who does our editing. I'm missing some people here because hey, this is not something we can do it alone, you know. Though you see our faces, there are so many people behind this. And this is just a first step according to me, so it's a milestone.
We had to go. Golden, platinum, all awards are yet to come now.
So that is up to you guys.
I still remember the day you all had come to my, my place.
I
We
know.
were one whole day there. We had rented out a flat actually.
I know, really.
And what all did we do to shoot there? We had so much fun, and in between my daughter was also coming.
Yeah,
Remember that
Divya
day?
have 2 kids and she manages a complete house, and I know her from where, like when you got married, you came to the class, I guess, and she learned it before and then she started learning from me. And yeah, then she's my senior most student actually, right and left hand both actually. No, my one hand is sitting here. I will.
One hand
Sorry,
is there.
I really appreciate how she manages her house, kids, and the whole thing, and still she managed to come on time, do everything. What I
So
tell
calm
her.
and patient all the time.
Composed.
She's very
Always.
She is composed. This is so cool.
Yes, so first of all, this is so cool and this is so real. Oh my god. Very big surprise. Thank you, Tai.
Yeah, very big surprise.
Yeah. This could not have happened if Tai's mastermind was not there. We would have never, taken that path. Never. Just because of Tai that we are here, and we are doing what we are doing, it's just because of her. I could have never imagined me to be walking on this path.
So,
Thank you so
Cheers
much.
to Bhakti.
it's not like that. But see, the thing is, what I appreciate. So many of you also have this question that can you take dance as a career when you are working something else or doing a job or anything else. Yes, of course, she's the example of it. So she started again. She learned it earlier, then she took a gap, and then she started. She's still working.
Yeah, I just wanted to continue dancing, and I took it just as a hobby. But then now I'm so much into it, and I'm so happy that I am
A part of it.
a part
yeah.
of it.
Managing like a job, and now she's married, so again that whole thing, house and everything, and dancing professionally, you can do this. It's not piece of cake who says it was easy? It is not easy at all. But if you really want to do it, then you can do it. So all our online courses are handled by Pratyush, basically Pratyush and Sneha. This is something which is important for company to run, for course to run flawlessly. So he completely takes care of it.
This was an amazing journey which I started with Bhakti and Talaank Dance Company. Being a marketing guy, seeing an award from YouTube, it's something beyond words. And thank you so much to Bhakti and Talaank Dance Company.
When he joined, how many
Years.
year ago,
Year.
he did not know anything about dance, anything about course, and I was like, okay, you have to manage it.
I just knew one thing, that I'm supposed to market it, which I did.
I think you did a
Pretty
good
good
job.
job.
Thank you.
So this has been a beautiful journey. Award for us, it's nothing but pat on your back that you have done something good. And again, I'm saying, because you people have supported us, you people liked what we are doing. That's why we could do this. We've been working for like in a tremendous experimental conditions. You have to try this, you have to try that. But now, since we know what we are doing and how we are supposed to do, I think we can do much better job than what we have done. I will only say that keep supporting us like this. We all are going to meet you every week with a new video, new lessons, something creative. I really hope that this journey will go a long way.